The universe is vast, an endless expanse of stars, planets, and mysteries waiting to be uncovered. We have explored only a tiny fraction of its wonders, barely scratching the surface of what lies beyond our reach. But even here on Earth, a new frontier is unfolding: artificial intelligence, a realm of endless possibilities and innovations. AI is a powerful tool, capable of transforming industries, enhancing our daily lives, and solving complex problems. It promises to change our world in profound ways, from healthcare to transportation and beyond. Imagine a world without disease, where AI helps doctors diagnose and treat patients with unprecedented accuracy. Imagine a world without poverty, where AI optimizes resource distribution and enhances agricultural productivity. These dreams may soon become reality thanks to AI, which is driving innovations at an unprecedented pace. The future is full of possibilities, with AI at the forefront of this technological revolution. AI is a key that can unlock them, opening doors to new opportunities and advancements. Let us explore this fascinating world together, embracing the potential of AI to create a better future. Let us embrace the potential of AI to create a better future for all, a future where technology and humanity thrive in harmony. What exactly is AI? This question has intrigued scientists, engineers, and thinkers for decades. In simple terms, AI is the ability of machines to learn and think like humans. It's a field that combines computer science, data analysis, and cognitive science. It's about creating digital brains, systems that can mimic the human mind's complexity and versatility. These digital brains can process vast amounts of information, solve intricate problems, and even make decisions based on data. This represents a radical departure from traditional computers, which are limited to following pre-programmed instructions. Traditional machines simply follow instructions without understanding or learning from them. AI, on the other hand, can learn from experience, adapt to new information, and even surprise us with its creativity and innovation. Think of AI as a digital apprentice, constantly learning and improving its skills. It learns by observing us, understanding our behaviors, and analyzing patterns. It analyzes massive amounts of data, far beyond human capability. And with each calculation, each piece of data processed, it gets a little bit smarter, a little bit more capable. AI is already all around us. When you ask Siri or Alexa for the weather, you're interacting with AI. When you get a personalized recommendation on Netflix, that's AI at work. And the self-driving cars we've all been hearing about, you guessed it, AI. These tasks all require some level of human-like intelligence. AI excels in these areas because it can process information much faster than we can. It can also recognize patterns we might miss. This makes AI a powerful tool for solving complex problems. Today's AI is impressive, but it's still in its early stages. Despite the advancements we've seen, we're only scratching the surface of what's possible. Right now, most AI is considered narrow or weak AI. This type of AI excels at specific tasks, but lacks the versatility of human intelligence. This means it's designed for a specific task, like playing chess or recommending movies. It can perform these tasks exceptionally well, but it can't generalize its knowledge to other areas. But the ultimate goal is to create general or strong AI. This type of AI would not be limited to specific tasks. This type of AI would have the ability to learn and perform any intellectual task that a human being can. Imagine an AI that can switch from diagnosing diseases to composing symphonies. It would be like having a digital Einstein at our disposal. Such an AI could revolutionize every aspect of our lives. The future of AI is brimming with potential. From smart cities to advanced personal assistants, the possibilities are endless. In healthcare, AI could help us diagnose diseases earlier and develop new treatments. This could lead to better patient outcomes and more efficient healthcare systems. In education, AI could personalize learning experiences for every student. Each student could have a tailored curriculum that adapts to their learning style and pace. And in entertainment, AI could create entirely new forms of art and storytelling. Imagine movies and music crafted specifically for your tastes, or interactive stories that evolve based on your choices.